Ready? All right. So this is the belt sander. This here is probably the most used machine in the whole shop. What can I say about it? There's not really, it makes the material nice and smooth, is what it does. Now there's different grits of sandpaper that we can use. Yeah, we have 100, 150 or 80 grit. It all depends on how coarse, using softwood or hardwood. So let's just go through the machine first. Once again, open the dust collector. So all the dust, there's an actual, it collects the dust right at the head of the belt sander. So all the dust that's getting pulled in here gets sucked into here and sucked out into the dust collector outside. So if we wanted to make this edge here nice and smooth, or if we wanted to put a shape on it, this is the machine that we use. So if we were going to start it, start button right here. Now if you wanted to, if it was a smaller board, there's also a fence on the side here. So you can hold your board nice and flush. One doesn't want to pull out of your hand. And you put even pressure. And it makes the board nice and smooth. Now as you can see, this belt sander, you can see how worn it is out on the bottom because that's the most used surface on the belt. But if it gets worn out, there's knobs on the bottom. So you can adjust the table. If you loosen the knob on here, the knob on here, you tighten this screw clockwise, it raises the table. So you would be cutting on a better surface on the belt. And when it's reached the height that you want it, you retighten the knobs, and you use that part of the belt. Now also on the back as well, if you wanted to cut a shape which had like an arc or something like that, well, you use the back of the belt sander, which I'm going to start and show you. And it would cut a shape anything that you wanted. Also, you can also adjust the table as well on this side. You loosen this lever, you raise the table to whatever you want, and you can use the better part of the belt at the top. Now on this one right here, as you can tell, it's not high enough. So there's also a tensioning knob, which allows this here to pull more on the blade, which will allow the belt to come up or go lower when you put it on. Now if we also wanted to change the blade, this lever right here, we would loosen off, and it loosens pressure on the belt, right? Well, we don't need to do that right now. And you'd have to take this cover off first. So you loosen this cover off, loosen this off, the belt, pull that out, the belt comes off, put a new belt on, tighten it so it's even, and you're ready to go again. And that's it for